Hi all. Today I wanted to show you two ways of cleaning the coin without damaging it. You can use it for jewelry as well, for silver and gold. I chose two very badly stained Kennedy's 64s. I know some of you will scream at me for cleaning them, but in that condition they are worth the amount of silver anyway. So for purpose of that video I'm gonna use them. So first method, because it takes longer, I'm gonna use aluminium foil and baking powder. So what you do, you take a dish, put the aluminium, the foil is okay. What I have to do, 1 second, I have to boil some water. And I'm gonna use the ordinary cooking soda. Put a bit of soda on the bottom of the dish. Stuck your coin in it. You'll have to wait for the boiling water. I'm gonna rip a little bit more of foil to make a paste. I'm gonna cover it with another bit of foil. Yes. And here I'm gonna use the jewelry cleaner, silver and gold. So what I'm doing, I'm putting that to the little dish. That's just a little left. It's about 10 years old. Probably the new one will work much better. So I'm gonna leave it in the dish. Now I have my boiling water. I'm gonna put a little bit of soda on the top of the coin and just add boiling water. The reaction should start kind of quickly. It will take about 2-3 minutes, no longer. And with that one, that takes seconds. You can't keep the coin for too long, because it may damage the coin. So you put it for a few seconds, take it out, and gently rub it. You remember to rinse it later. Rinse it with hot water and dry it very properly. So that's actually almost done. Put it one more time for 5 seconds. Yep. And now I'm going quickly to drain it and dry it. And we'll see the effects of that. So I'm gonna dry it properly now. You make sure that you rinse it properly, because then if you don't, that you can get milk spots and some shadows on the coin. So now it should be dry. And look at that. Almost like new. That was just few seconds. Still a bit on the top. I probably didn't press it good enough. I polish it some more with the tissue. I'm using the fine tissue. And actually still can't see that was cleaned. The chemical is very good. The expert will probably tell that it was cleaned, but recently I ordered the coins from silver and gold bull, and one of the coins was terribly stained. With 1 ounce silver coin, they didn't want to exchange it, so I cleaned it with chemical. After I find out that you can do it on uncirculated coin, and the coin looked brilliant. Is actually, you can't say that was cleaned, but it was uncirculated. That is 1964. Let's go back to our other coin, to the, oh wow, it's hot, in the soda and aluminium, where the reaction comes. You have to gently wrap it as well. That's like, I'd say 5 minutes in there, 6. What we're gonna do now is put some more soda, more soda, a bit more hot water, secondary, and cover it with aluminium for the secondary. Ow, it's hot, for secondary reaction. And maybe I will pause the video, because I'm gonna keep it for like another 2 minutes underneath it. You can't hold it too long, because then you're gonna get like a matte. They were supposed to be shiny around the head, that gonna get like matte spots. So I'm gonna hold it maximum 2 minutes. I'm gonna pause it and go back straight back to you. Okay, 2 minutes passed. So I'm gonna take that. I have that paste from the soda, and I'm gonna just polish it with my finger very gently. We will see how that's gonna look. It's looking much better, and it's still a bit of that paste, but it's all dissolved. Wow, very hot. So what I'm gonna do now is drain it and wipe it as well, polish it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna polish it with the fine tissue. Yes. Take another one. And actually looks brilliant. The other side. It's amazing what that done, and I would say that soda work much better than the chemical. If you compare those two, I don't know, you can see it on camera, but they were very bad condition. You can go back on the beginning of the video. Now they look much better. I'm thinking to put that one again in a soda to get it this way as this one is. So I think I'm gonna do it. So that's two ways of cleaning your silver jewelry and silver coins. Gold as well, but gold doesn't get so stained as silver, so I don't think it's need for it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that was helpful for you. Bye bye.